Right, I have shown this before. So this is actually the very last one of these, so I'm just going to do a quick 20-second video. So I tap them out first in the drill press just to make sure that they're lined up straight, and then I just clamp it down and trundle around. Where's the thing? Okay, last one done. Right, well, I haven't got as much done as I was kind of hoping to do today. I had my dad came around, I had to make a thing for him. So I have got this first one tacked in. Well, they're a bit more than tacks really. I started kind of plodding around a bit, get a bit carried away, but it's just a matter of kind of plodding around. Yeah, so it's just a matter of plodding around now, and still getting my route run done, and then I think what I'm going to do is I think I'm going to get them all tacked in. Yeah, what's it look like on the inside actually? I haven't looked yet. Oh, perfectly good. I've just found a problem. I'm not going to be able to weld in here because I can't get in. So what am I going to do? Well, obviously this plate's going to come off, so I'll just have to wait until it's done, until it's attached. What I could do is once all the welding on the viewports is done, I could just cut a bit out like that, like a little scoop, which would allow me to get in and weld the bottom of those ports whilst still providing some brace for the actual shape. I think that's probably a good idea, yeah.